So I'm walking at a night time of Davao Street. Is Davao safe? The answer is yes. Davao is very safe. And I'm going to 7-Eleven right now. I'm walking at night time at Davao street of Davao in Mindanao. A lot of people are betting to say, but is Davao safe? The answer is yes. It's totally safe. Walking on this street of Davao at night time. So the question is Davao safe? Yes, it's totally safe. It's around 11:30 p.m. at night time, and I'm just walking alone. It's really very safe. I don't have an issue. It's safe. And yeah, the good thing about it, not everything closed here early compared to like Cotabato. There's no 7-Eleven I can find open in Cotabato city. Here in Davao, things are open. You can go buy things. Right now I'm just going to 7-Eleven to buy something. Walking alone at Davao 11:30. What can went wrong? Nothing can went wrong. If you just walk like a man, nothing went wrong. Walk like a woman, still nothing went wrong because Davao is really safe. 7-Eleven, I do some shopping. Some drinks, for some body wash. Even now we just found some. What is the feel good, right? What is there no body wash? How we can clean our body without body wash? There's a shampoo. I'm looking for a body wash. So I already did my grocery shopping at 7-Eleven, and now I'm just walking back to my hotel. So yeah, it's quite nice and quite safe to be out here alone. Nothing can go wrong, to be honest with you. I'm really liking it. It's a nice area. Yep, it's a nice area. And then let's start walking. Nice music. They're blasting the music, it's nice. So, Davao is safe. The answer is yes. Davao is safe. I'm walking alone. At night time, no one with me. I'm alone. Walking on the street of Davao. So we are going back to the hotel. Not we, I'm alone. So make sure to subscribe and bye.